Hey guys, it's VB. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this orange double cut crease look with glitter using the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place and the Zodiac by Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collaboration. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you. From the Saharan palette, we're going to start off with this shade called Katsina, and we're going to apply it to the eye. And I'm using this BH Cosmetics blending brush to apply it. The next shade that we jump into is Jamila, and I apply it using the e.l.f. eye crease brush. And I tap in the color first, and then I slowly start to blend it out. And then I apply Sokoto using this Morphe brush. And then we are going to take the BH Cosmetics blending brush and we're going to blend that out. And to intensify the color, I go back in with Sokoto. And then using our BH Cosmetics Total Coverage Concealer in the shade 104, we're going to start cutting the crease all the way out using this BH Cosmetics brush. And from the Zodiac palette, we're going to take the Aries and we're going to apply it right over the concealer. And I am applying it with the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. And since this is a double cut crease, we're not going to take the shade all the way to the crease because that's where the glitter is going to go. And then we're going to make a line using the NYX glitter primer, and we're going to go over it with this BH Cosmetics glitter called Gold Rush. And we're going to do it little by little, first starting off with some primer and then topping it off with the glitter, going back in with the primer, then more glitter, and all the way out till we form the crease line. And it takes a while, so just take your time with this. And since there was a little bit of the glitter fallout, I just went in with the Aries and went over it again on the lid. After that, I went in with this highlighter called Blissful by Ofra Cosmetics from the Feeling Myself Trio palette, and I applied it to the inner corner and I applied it to the brow bone. And for our wing, I went in with the e.l.f. liquid liner in the color Jet Black. For mascara, I went in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And my lashes are by Salon Perfect, called Demi Cluster, and I applied them using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. And then I went in on my waterline with the Ciate Wonderwand liner in the color black. And set my brows using the Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter. For the bottom lash line, I went in with Katsina from the Saharan palette, and I used the e.l.f. Eye Crease brush. And with the Morphe brush, I applied Sakoto. And blend it all out with the e.l.f. crease brush. And made sure it was all well blended using the BH Cosmetics blending brush. And then I applied the same mascara to the lower lashes. To bronze up the face, I went in with the Wet n Wild contouring palette, Dulce De Leche. To contour, I went in with this Pretty Vulgar Bronze to Be Sun-Kissed Snitch bronzer. And I applied it using the contour brush by Moda brushes. And with the lighter shade from the Wet n Wild contour palette, I just cleaned up that contour. And for blush, I use the Zoeva Aristo palette, and they are called Demeter and Despoina, and I applied it using the Luxie brush 522. After that, with the big blending brush from BH Cosmetics, I cleaned up off that excess powder and set my face using the Ofra Cosmetics Makeup Fixer. After that, we go in with highlight, and from the Trio Highlight palette by Ofra Cosmetics called Feeling Myself, I applied Rodeo Drive with the Moda Glow brush. I lined my lips with the Wet n Wild lip liner in the color Bear to Comment, and I topped it off with the Ofra Cosmetics Miami Fever liquid lipstick. For gloss, I went in with the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit and Sand Nudes. And this right here is our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Thanks. And remember, feel nothing less than what you are.